Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So sometimes things don't go as planned. I had this great video that I had filmed about using an old technique from the S15 service manual from 1986 on how to identify transmission leaks using baby powder. I thought it was pretty cool, but my GoPro apparently did not appreciate the video and it deleted all of the video I took for that day. I don't know. It either didn't actually record it or it lost it. I don't know. So I don't have that video. I was going to tie that into a SuperClean giveaway, which I'm still going to do today, and the details will come up just in a couple of minutes. So since I don't have the footage of the transmission leak, I thought I would give you a little sneak peek of what I'm doing, prepping this truck for a cut and buff. So I'll just show you what I got here. The paint is oxidized. It's actually in pretty good condition, but it is oxidized pretty significantly on the high exposure areas. So if we look, well, the valence panel, or whatever you call this here, I mean, this is a real extreme, and I'm not sure if this is original to the truck or if it's been repainted, but this is kind of an exaggerated example of what I'm dealing with on the rest of the truck. Okay, the paint's a little on the chalky side, and you can see in the high UV exposure areas, it has almost turned a pink color. I do have some paint chipping and things. There's not going to be a whole lot I could do about that, but then there's the wear areas too on the bed sides and on the tailgate. And so if you take a look at this paint here and see how it's kind of all oxidized and chalky, but then if you just go over here to this rail on the bedside, you can see that that chalkiness is gone. Disregard that wear there. Okay, and I used a real simple process to get rid of the oxidation on the paint. So that brings us back to this again. So first I also did it on the valence panel on this side just to see that paint is super thin on there, and it's just coming, the black primer's coming through. Start out with, I washed the truck, or I washed the panel I'm working on with some standard car wash and a Sponge Daddy sponge, because this is a pretty aggressive sponge, but it's non-abrasive, but it will get off a lot of stuff that a normal sponge won't get off. I follow that with wet sanding with a gray Scotch-Brite pad. This probably is a grit of 600 to 800. And so this gets rid of the majority of the oxidized paint. I follow that with wet sanding with a 1000 grit piece of wet dry sandpaper. And this basically polishes out the scratches that this creates and prepares the surface for the cutting compound. I'm not gonna, this was just a test. I just wanted to see how far I could get with this and how good I could make it look. I'm pretty satisfied with the way that it looks. And so this is the way I'm gonna go. I haven't pulled off the box, and so you can see the oxidation that's left over from the areas that I couldn't reach. So anyway, that's just a sneak peek of what's coming up with the restoration of this truck, or I wouldn't call it a restoration, whatever it is. I know I can be long-winded when I start talking about this stuff, so I'm just going to cut it off there. Thanks everybody for sticking around to watch the progress of this build, and stay tuned to right now. I'm going to give you the details of the SuperClean giveaway. I did want to give a shout out to SuperClean. They always keep my shop well stocked with their cleaning products, and they're really good products. I like them. This is the drip pan I was using to catch those drips from the transmission, and you know, SuperClean makes quick work of it. On top of that, they also, one of my favorite products of theirs is this, the foaming degreaser, because when you're working up underneath the vehicle, and if you're underneath it working on it and you're trying to clean it, the last thing you want is to have your degreaser that you're spraying on the transmission dripping in your face when you're trying to work on it. So that's where this comes in. This foam will, you know, it foams up and it sticks to the surface that you're trying to clean. and it does a really good job. You leave it on the surface, it works for maybe about 5 minutes. It completely breaks down any of the grease or oil that's on the surface, and then when you're ready, you just wipe it away, and you end up with a perfectly clean surface. So SuperClean has offered to give away some of their product to one of the viewers of my channel. So all you have to do is leave a comment down below, any comment, it doesn't really matter. And after a week from today, I will run the comment through a random picker, and whoever the winner is, I will announce it, and SuperClean will send a care package to you with some of their products, because they want to get their stuff out there and get you guys trying it, because they really believe in it, and it is a good product. I really do like it. So don't forget, just put a comment down in the comment section below, and after a week from today, I will pick a winner and get in contact with you, and SuperClean will send you their care package. So that's it, guys. Just leave a comment down in the comment section below, and in a week, I'll pick a winner and I'll create a small video, and then we will communicate through email and get all the details sorted out. So good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.